And one big question about this new virus variant is whether current vaccines will be able to guard against it. The CEO of Biontech, the German company which teamed up with US pharma giant Pfizer to develop an mRNA-based vaccine, told DW he's expecting to know the answer to that question in about 2 weeks' time. Earlier, our reporter Konrad Busen talked to Biontech boss Uğur Şahin about that issue and more.
Well, first of all, congratulations, Dr. Şahin, for the approval of your vaccine in the European Union. What does this step mean for ending the pandemic?
This is a very important step. So this is the first approved vaccine in Europe. It means that we now can start vaccination of the European population. We got also an approval in Switzerland. And with starting of the vaccination, we expect, of course, that we have a benefit for the vaccinated people, and we expect that we can help to reduce the hospitalization, particularly of the elderly people, in the next months. We expect that if additional vaccine suppliers and companies get approvals, and that we will be able until end of summer to reach sufficient vaccine doses and sufficient immunity rate in the range of 60 to 70%, which could help us to control the pandemic before next winter in 2021.
Okay, we've seen news of this faster spreading variant, the mutation of the virus. From what you know, is your vaccine effective against this variant?
We don't know so far. Because we did not yet test. We will in the next 2 weeks, we will build this new virus variant, the piece of this virus variant, and evaluate whether immune responses against our vaccines are able to inactivate that. Scientifically, the likelihood is high that this is the case, because even though this new variant has multiple mutations, only 1% of this protein is changed. Yeah. That means 99% is still the same. And we know that our immune response, or the immune response that is induced by our vaccine, is attacking this protein on multiple sites, so that the likelihood is high and that the vaccines will still work. But we will get the results in 2 weeks, and then we can be sure.
What about distribution? Much has been made of the challenges of distribution, or much has been made of the challenges of distributing your vaccine, given the ultra-low temperatures necessary. Do you anticipate any complications as you begin shipping the vaccine now into the European Union?
No, not at all. So this ultra-cold temperatures are nothing new. So dry ice transportation is known for more than 50 years. It's not cutting edge. It's just a box with dry ice, and there are many dry ice providers which helps us to get this done. The boxes are transported to the sites, and then, as seen in the TV, the people can take the medical personnel can take out the boxes and put it into the fridge, and then it's stable for 5 days. And we know that if the vaccine arrives, there's a strong interest to start vaccination and to finish the virus, so that this is no real challenge.
And you both are scientific superheroes.
Yeah, we are scientists. Yeah, and superhero just means that the science that we did is important, but we were not alone in developing the science. So I think the whole scientific community is a superhero. Yeah, and it should be really regarded not as a single event, but investment into research by so many different scientists who had contributed until this is accomplished.
Dr. Şahin, many thanks.